Welcome to our Wood and Metal Crafts and Project Ideas channel, where craftsmanship meets creativity and every design inspires you to turn imagination into meaningful, income-ready creations. This video is created to inspire you, to guide your imagination toward profitable designs, and to help you understand the benefits of wood craft projects for your home and turn woodcraft to income. Woodworking has always been more than just cutting and joining pieces of timber. It is a craft that transforms natural materials into functional art, blending creativity, patience, and skill. In today's world, woodworking projects are not only a satisfying hobby, but also an opportunity to create unique furniture that stands out in a crowded marketplace. Many people are searching for furniture that feels personal, handcrafted, and authentic rather than mass-produced. This growing demand has opened exciting possibilities for creative makers who are willing to experiment with original ideas and thoughtful designs. When you begin exploring woodworking projects with a focus on DIY plans and unique furniture, you quickly realize that even simple designs can become extraordinary with the right approach. A small table becomes a statement piece when its legs curve elegantly or when contrasting woods create visual rhythm. A shelf becomes more than storage when it is shaped like a sculptural element on the wall. These creative touches do not necessarily require expensive equipment or complex techniques. Instead, they rely on imagination, attention to detail, and a willingness to refine your craft step by step. Another exciting aspect of DIY woodworking is the ability to design projects that fit modern lifestyles. People today live in apartments, small homes, and flexible spaces where furniture must be both beautiful and practical. Woodworkers who understand this need can design pieces that serve multiple purposes, save space, and enhance everyday living. From compact desks and modular shelves to elegant chairs and smart storage solutions, woodworking allows creators to combine artistic expression with practical value. In this video, we will explore a range of woodworking project ideas that inspire creativity while offering real potential for building unique furniture pieces. Each concept demonstrates how thoughtful design can transform ordinary wood into furniture that feels modern, stylish, and valuable. Whether you are a beginner experimenting with DIY plans or an experienced maker searching for fresh inspiration, these ideas will help you see wood in new and exciting ways. Let's begin exploring woodworking projects that prove creativity, craftsmanship, and smart design can turn simple materials into truly remarkable furniture. One of the most rewarding woodworking projects to start with is the creation of a minimalist wooden coffee table. Coffee tables are central pieces in living rooms, making them perfect opportunities to showcase creativity. Instead of building a traditional rectangular table, consider experimenting with geometric shapes such as hexagons or rounded triangular forms. These shapes instantly give the furniture a modern personality while remaining relatively simple to construct. Using contrasting wood tones for the tabletop and legs can add visual depth, turning the piece into a conversation starter. Another fascinating project idea is floating wooden shelves designed with artistic flair. Floating shelves are extremely popular in modern interiors because they appear to hover effortlessly on the wall. However, rather than creating plain rectangular boards, woodworkers can design shelves that flow like waves or form zigzag patterns. These shapes transform a basic storage solution into wall art. The beauty of floating shelves lies in their versatility. They can be used in living rooms, kitchens, bedrooms, and even home offices, making them attractive items for anyone looking to decorate their space with handcrafted pieces. Compact wooden desks are also highly valuable projects, especially as more people work or study from home. Designing a desk that fits into small apartments or corners can make your furniture stand out. A clever idea is to create a foldable wall-mounted desk that can be closed when not in use. When opened, it reveals a smooth wooden work surface and small compartments for notebooks and accessories. This type of project blends functionality and elegance, offering both practicality and aesthetic appeal. Wooden benches are another project that allows woodworkers to explore creativity. While benches traditionally appear in gardens or entryways, modern designs bring them into living spaces as decorative seating. A bench with curved wooden slats, for example, can create a flowing silhouette that feels almost sculptural. Adding subtle details like angled legs or integrated storage underneath can increase both the beauty and usefulness of the design. Unique wooden chairs are also exciting woodworking challenges. Chairs require careful planning to ensure strength and comfort, but they also provide endless opportunities for design innovation. One creative approach is to build chairs with continuous wooden frames where the legs and armrests appear as one flowing structure. This technique not only creates a distinctive look, but also highlights the natural elegance of wood grain. Another project that attracts attention is modular wooden storage units. These units consist of individual cubes or compartments that can be arranged in different patterns. The flexibility allows users to customize their storage according to their space. For example, a set of wooden cubes can function as a bookshelf, room divider, or decorative display system. Modular designs are particularly appealing because they adapt to changing needs, making them both practical and stylish. Wooden bed frames also offer an excellent opportunity for creative DIY projects. A modern platform bed with a low profile can give a bedroom a calm and contemporary atmosphere. Instead of adding excessive decoration, focusing on clean lines and smooth finishes can highlight the natural beauty of the wood itself. Integrating hidden storage drawers into the bed frame can make the design even more functional, especially for smaller homes where maximizing space is essential. Another unique idea is building wooden plant stands that elevate indoor greenery. With the rising popularity of indoor plants, stylish plant stands have become highly desirable. A tiered wooden plant stand can display multiple plants at different heights, creating a dynamic visual arrangement. Using slender wooden supports and simple platforms allows the plants to remain the focal point while the stand enhances the overall presentation. Woodworking projects offer an incredible journey of creativity, craftsmanship, and discovery. Every piece of furniture begins as a simple idea and a few pieces of timber, yet with patience and imagination it can evolve into something beautiful and meaningful. Whether you are building a minimalist coffee table, a sculptural chair, or a clever storage unit, each project teaches new skills and reveals new possibilities within the art of woodworking. What makes DIY woodworking especially rewarding is the freedom to experiment and create furniture that reflects your personal vision. Unlike factory-produced items, handcrafted furniture carries a story, the story of its maker, the materials chosen, and the care invested in every detail. Over time, these projects become more than just objects. They become symbols of creativity and dedication. As you continue exploring woodworking ideas, remember that even the simplest designs can become extraordinary when approached with curiosity and craftsmanship. The world of unique wooden furniture is filled with endless inspiration, and every new project is an opportunity to refine your skills and express your creativity. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.